Hey everyone, happy Monday, happy MLK Day. I'm super excited and a little nervous and anxious at the same time because guess what? Today is the big day for you all to cast your votes for me to be crowned the Entrepreneur of Impact. Definitely check out the link in my bio and all of my posts to see more details about it. Like I said, I'm super excited. Life's a journey, man, and it's been a very long time coming for me. I've always known I wanted to be an entrepreneur and own my own business. Like, I've always known I was destined for something greater, especially when I would start working my 9-to-5s and when I had my jobs that I regretted going to every day. But, you know, you have to do what you have to do to make your money and to survive. And it's nothing wrong with having, like, multiple streams of income or doing what you need to do until it's your time to shine. And it just feels right. Like 2025, there's just so much positive and good, powerful energy around me. And I know it's my time to shine. I know it's my year. And I'm just so thankful and grateful to God. Like I said, it's been a journey for me. I've come a long way. I've battled with some mental health. I've battled self-esteem. I've battled imposter syndrome. So just to be in this spot that I am now is just incredible. All thanks to the Most High God. And yeah, I'm just super excited, thankful, happy, blessed. I'm thankful for all of my supporters. Thank you for everyone that's always been here for me, that's shopped my store, that's visited my website, that's subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's Jasmine Smith, that follows me on Instagram, that interacts with my posts, that comments on every single post, that likes all of my posts and engage with me. You know, the power of the internet in the world is so crazy. I've met like real life friends through social media. Like, who would have thought? It's just so incredible, so humbling. Like, my heart is so full, y'all. I can't thank you enough for your support. Yeah, life is just amazing. Hi, Kata. Thanks for joining. How are you? Happy Monday. What are your plans for today? So yeah, this competition is really important and dear to my heart and huge to me. And it's not just for me, it's to impact other women and other people. Like I said, it's called the Entrepreneur of Impact, and I want to impact our community. And my store, if you haven't visited yet, please check it out. It's JasmineSmithMerchandise.love. It's period love at the end, not .com. It's .love. It's also in my bio. And the store, I basically made it out of like a need for myself. Like, at the time, I was suffering from the low self-esteem, the negative, bad thoughts, and I just wanted something to help me get through it. And like I said, I've always been an entrepreneur spirit. I always like creating new themes. I'm very creative. I like having new store ideas. I always have a million ideas just popping in my head every day. So I was like, you know what? It was like therapeutic for me, really, building my store. It helped me overcome a lot. So I was like, you know what? Let me take all these ideas I have, and instead of being down in the dumps in bed all day, every day, let me put all that energy and twist it into a positive, into my actual store. So I started building up my store. I came up with the ideas. I came up with the designs, the sayings and everything. And I just want women to be motivated, to know your impact, to know that you're loved, to know that God in Christ is always with you. And I wanted to spread my testimony and the gospel through my clothing line with my clothing. And yeah, so my store has crew necks and t-shirts with affirmations. This is one of them that I'm wearing now. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. It's my favorite Bible verse. And so a lot of the apparel in my store is Bible verses and actual affirmations that are dear to my heart, that have helped me in that dark time. And I want to spread positivity and love to everyone. That's why my logo for my store, With Love Jasmine, which is listed on all of my apparel. That's why I named the logo With Love Jasmine, because I want to spread love to everyone. And I want you all to remember. And then since Valentine's Day is coming up, here's another one of my designs. Self-love is the best love. I can't wait for you all to get that. Here's another one. My whole vibe is on Do Not Disturb. And so I have 15 different designs total in the crew necks, which are super comfy and warm. They really are, especially for the winters. Like, if you're in the Midwest here like me, it's too cold. You gotta have some layers and something, okay? Yeah, and I also have t-shirts that are super comfy. And with the t-shirts, I actually still have a bundle deal that's up. I was gonna take it down, but I'm being generous. I've left it up this whole time. So go catch it before I end up taking it down. you get a t-shirt and one of my digital journals automatically in a bundle for only $25. And I have 6 different digital journal ideas that are on there, and they're really affordable, from I believe $5 to up to like $15. They're not bad at all. And you would just use it with your iPad or tablet or print it off, and you can enjoy it. I also have notebooks, my little notebook of big ideas, and this notebook to write all of your ideas out, to journal in, whatever it is you want to use pen and paper for, write it out, get it out in these. And I just want to talk about the power of like having a positive book. I believe it was like the day I started my store, or the day before, knowing I was going to start it. And I wrote affirmations and like a love letter basically to myself in this card. And it's helped me out a lot, and it's really coming true. So I'm just overjoyed and thankful. And yes, please, please, please support me. Vote me in this competition to crown me as the next entrepreneur of impact. I really appreciate your help, support, and love. Also, please tell a friend to tell a friend about me, my store, my channel, and the contest. Share it, share it, share it. It helps a lot. I need y'all, my community, my village, to help out. What else? I think I had one more thing. Oh, and once you vote, please go ahead and take a screenshot that you voted. Let me know and tag me in it and post it on your story, and I'll repost it. Let's get this fire going. Let's start this. Hi, Wilmer. Thanks for joining. So yeah, I'm just overjoyed and thankful. Please, please, please vote. It means a lot, and share it. And voting starts in like 20 minutes, so don't miss it. And I'll keep bugging y'all, like I'll keep posting it. So yeah, I love y'all. Have a great, blessed day. Thank you for your support. Love. Peace. Bye.